Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be trying out this avocado sleeping mask, and I'm sorry if you can't see clearly. I'm going to try and adjust it. There you go. And this is a sample, so I'm going to just try it out for 10 minutes because that is the second option. Either you can, of course, sleep with it on or try it for 10 minutes. The reason why I'm going to be trying out for 10 minutes is because, first of all, it is a sample, so not very much of it. And then the other reason is mainly because this focuses more on dry skin, sensitive skin, normal skin, and my skin is oily combination type skin. I feel like I said oily a little bit strangely at first. But anyways, yeah, that's why. So what I decided, is that I will basically apply it on the dry parts of my skin that are just annoyingly dry most of the time. So that's why I'm gonna do it that way. And if you guys want to know more details about the product, I'll just leave it in the description below, because my memory is kind of just unreliable. So I'm just gonna leave all the details, or most of the details that I can get, in the description below, and of course the link to the product. And I think that's how it looks if you actually order the product, which is a nice look, nice container and all that. And if I ever get it, I will then try probably the overnight thing, because I'll have more of it and I have a chance to do it more than once during the night, and I feel like I'll know better doing it multiple times. So yeah, so basically just have your face cleaned before applying this, and wait 10 minutes, rinse it off with lukewarm water, and yeah, you should be left with firm and brightened skin. And yeah, it deeply moisturizes the dry skin and all that, and tired skin, and more details will be in the description, like I said. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so I cleaned my face, that's why it's a little bit more pinkish right now, but I'm going to mainly apply this sample on my cheek area, more around the mouth, just because I tend to dry up here a lot, sometimes over here, but usually I dry up in this area in the winter, but in the summer I get a little bit more oily up here. So because it's getting warmer, my skin is getting more oily here. So I'm just going to focus this on the cheek area, basically. Okay, here we go. So mainly just apply it, a thick layer, and then wait 10 minutes and rinse it with lukewarm water. Looks pretty. Very thick too. So I'm gonna slowly apply it on. Okay, so applying it, I was totally expecting, a different kind of, I guess, texture or feeling, kind of similar to the watermelon sleeping mask, which is more kind of jelly, but this is more creamy and just feels so nice on the skin. And just tap it on, or dab it on, and there's no big smell to it or scent, but it does smell nice. It feels nice too. I'm gonna of course see how it feels like after I rinse it as well, but just applying it, it kind of is like, oh, feels nice, because it's nice and creamy, and my fingers are all messy now. But yeah, this is really nice. Now I'm just gonna wait 10 minutes. Okay, time to rinse it off. Remember, lukewarm water, and just pat dry afterwards, but yeah. Okay, I don't know what to say, but as you can see, I'm super red here. Kind of embarrassed to get closer to the camera, but it's super red here, and it's probably partially because of the warmish water I used to rinse off the mask, but I think it still leaves your skin smooth. It's just my skin feels really kind of warm right now. Kind of weird. I don't know what to say. And maybe it didn't settle yet, so I'm gonna probably wait a few more minutes to see how my skin will be. But yeah, that's a little bit embarrassing. But yeah, I'm gonna wait a few minutes or hours and see how my skin is, and then update you guys from there. Alright, so after an hour and a half of chilling, I have my face back to normal. I mean, it didn't take that long to settle. It only took maybe 15 to 30 minutes to settle, and I am all good and not embarrassed anymore. So I think it's partially the product though, because I did feel a bit of discomfort, kind of irritation, burning kind of feeling on the face while I had the mask on. But it wasn't that much of discomfort, so I thought it's probably just how it is, so whatever, kind of just move on. And I did notice a little bit of redness up here when I had the mask on still, but then once I rinsed it off, the water was lukewarm at first, and then it got a little warmer, and I'm like, okay, it's probably because of the water that I'm so red. But then thinking about it, I'm like, yeah, it's probably partially the product, but it's still, I mean, my skin feels soft, and it really, I think, does say what it says it would do. And even though it was leaving my skin all red, I still think it worked. Did say what it said it was gonna do. So if you wanna, guys, let me know anything when it comes to the whole redness situation. You can totally let me know in the comments below if you know better than me. I learn as I go along with these videos, so you're welcome to put out any tips in the description if you like. But I think I'll wrap up the video from here. Thanks guys for watching. Hopefully this was a beneficial or, you know, enjoyable video for you guys, and hopefully we'll see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share the video, and yeah, we'll see you next time. Bye.